Carmanos announced last summer that he was looking to divest himself of the Hurricanes for something like $400 million.
Well, yeah, I know where you're coming from, Frank. I just know that no one is going to buy the Carolina Hurricanes for $400 million.
Today, the Carolina Hurricanes' Tom Dundon takes over a team for $500 million.
Tom Dundon is the new owner of the Carolina Hurricanes.
We're going to win for sure. There's no doubt. We'll 100% for sure win.
Carolina's now one game away from the Eastern Conference Final. Are they actually good, or is this just a thing that's happening?
It's an amazing question. It is amazing to think that the Carolina Hurricanes, who have suffered among the bigger droughts in NHL hockey history when it comes to the postseason, are now one game away from the conference finals. They are up 3-0 on the Islanders, while you, me, Vinny, James, all of Canada looks at the teams that they love, knowing they have been nowhere close. Dare I say, does it frustrate the bleep out of them that this team, that up until a bunch of claps and some duck, duck, goose, their fan base didn't give a bleep whether they won or lost? Does it make you mad?
Oh, just destroyed! Back the other way. Oh, he scored! Here comes the cross. They score! That's hockey, baby! Another great chance. Oh! Scores! Sebastian Aho! Kokoniemi's in. He scores!
Swirling around. Martin and Natchez hangs on, shoots, scores! Moving in on left wing to the net and a chance. Score, Natchez! What a great move by Martin Natchez!
Sebastian Aho gets his second of the game in the final minute of overtime. 2-on-1. Aho with Teravainen. Aho. Teravainen, he scores! Short-handed. Check. Stepping up for a hit on Svechnikov, but he spun off it. It's 3-on-1. Natchez shoots, he scores! Devin's got a shin pad on it. Svechnikov to get